Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to bypass Linkvertise timer safely and legally. So for example, I will choose this one, then when I click on get link here, you will find that the timer is around 1 hour. So the first method is you can just pay, which is very cheap, and also you can get a refund within 30 days, so you can just cancel it after that. The second method is to copy this link and to open this website. It is called bypass.link. Then you just paste the link from Linkvertise website and click on bypass. Then click on this verification. Then this website will generate a new link. Just wait for it. And there you go. You should find this resolved URL. Just copy it or click on open link. And you should find this file here. You can download it safely. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.